Welcome back to Customs Unlimited. I'm Andrew, and today I'm going to walk you through how to install a bed light kit from XKGLOW. Each bed light kit comes with 2 light bars, 8 mounting brackets, mounting hardware, adhesive, zip ties, and the harness required for hooking up power along with an inline switch. We also recommend having a tool to loosen your bed liner, some Customs Unlimited dielectric grease to protect your connections from moisture and other harmful elements, and some scrap wire or cord handy to help fish the wires from underneath the truck up through the bed. Today we're installing this kit on a 2008 Chevy Silverado, but this kit is universal. Let's get into the install. The first thing we need to do is locate where the bars are going to be mounted. For this install, we are opting to use the included adhesive to mount the bars on the underside of the tonneau cover rails. Before applying the adhesive, clean the surface thoroughly with rubbing alcohol to ensure a strong bond. Once prepped, apply the adhesive to each mounting bracket. Remove the backing and secure the brackets in place. Once your adhesive is applied, simply peel off the backing and attach it to your mounting location with the brackets spaced evenly across the bar. With both bars mounted, remove the screws holding in the corners of the bed liner and pull back the liner in the rear corners to find a path for your wiring. With our bed liner pulled back, we located a spot where we can fish our wires up from the harness that's going to be ran underneath the truck to the battery and the right side bar. Since our switch is going to be mounted on the left side of the truck, we're going to run the longer wire underneath the bed and pull it back out of the same hole on the other side to the right side bar. To do this, we use the scrap wire as a guide, feeding it down through the hole, tying it to the bar's power wire, and carefully pulling it back through the hole. Once your bars are plugged in, locate a spot to mount your switch, preferably closer to the tailgate for easy access. After you know where it's going, use rubbing alcohol to prep the surface and remove the adhesive backing to mount your switch. Next, we are going to route the wiring toward the engine bay, following factory wiring paths and avoiding any moving parts or heat sources. Once you've made it up to the front, simply pull your wires up through the engine bay and hook up your terminals to the power and ground. Now that the install is all complete, let's flip the switch on and see how it looks. The amount of output from these lights is absolutely amazing. It gives us a ton of visibility in this bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this install video helpful, please leave a like and comment down below, and check out our channel for the latest product release videos, the latest lighting news, and some awesome content coming soon. Thank you guys so much. Head on over to customsunlimited.com and place your orders today.